Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Amazfit T-Rex 2 with Zepp app on an iOS device. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So, let's begin here immediately. We have here the Amazfit T-Rex 2 here and let's see how to connect it. First choose a language here and after that it will show the QR code to scan it. To download the Zepp app, you can find it on the App Store by name, or you can find it by this QR code on your watch. Hit install and wait until it's done. As we open it up it will ask you for an account. You can choose one of the options here. We usually go with a Google account. After it opens up it will ask for permission to use Bluetooth, so what we are going to do is allow it and turn on Bluetooth, GPS and health access too. To connect the watch we have to go here in Profile where we find the Add Device. Select what device you are searching. This time we have a watch and scan the QR code to connect the watch. After it shows the watch, accept the request in the watch and that was it. It's this easy to connect it. This time after it's connected, as you can see it's asking to update the GPS, so let's wait for this update too. Here at the top we have the percentage of battery and underneath that is the first option, health monitoring, where we can find auto heart rate monitor, active heart rate monitoring, sleep, stress and blood oxygen. Here on this page we can turn them on and off. Next is notification for incoming calls, app alerts, where you can choose the apps that you want to get notifications from, standing reminder, incoming SMS, incoming email and goal notification. In this page you can customize these one by one, so look carefully and see what options you want to turn on or off. After that we have watch faces where we can find a lot of them and it's very easy to change them. You can download or even buy a few and you can change them in a matter of seconds. To download one it may take a minute. You can choose from live ones to more sport looking or more elegant and classic ones. Let's try some of them that we downloaded before and see how it looks with other faces. Next we have the App Store, which is a very wonderful option where you can download more apps like Notify for maps, stocks, Notify for things, or like this one memo that we will download now. When it's done it will appear at the end of the menu list. In watch settings we will find display and brightness, where we have auto brightness, screen on duration, always on display, lift wrist to view info, screen on upon notification and wake during workout. Next we have sound and vibration, where we can see buzzer scenes, buzzer intensity, vibrate for alert and vibration. After that in the watch settings we have workout, where we can see workout detection, which you can put some of the workouts that you want to get detected, GPS settings, where we can change from accuracy to balance or power saving mode, and apps expiry reminder. Next we have do not disturb. After that we have an off wrist password. Quick startup is an option for the side button where you can choose what to open with it. In the Edit Control Center you will find all of the options to customize the perfect taskbar. Here you can put all these options in your favorite order. Let's try some of them and see how it changes. In the end we will find language, but most of the time it will sync with your phone. Back to the watch page where we have app list management, similar to the control center that we did before, but here is for the main menu. We can change the position of the options in the menu however we like. At the shortcuts we can customize the left side of the watch where we find these shortcuts. Find watch, discoverable, activity, heart rate share, real-time data, run in background, lab, system update and about this device are the last options in this page. Back at the profile page where we are seeing my goal, my route, my records, friends, add account, user feedback, smart analysis and settings. These were just in the watch page that we connected in the beginning. Now we will see all the data from the first page that shows when you open the app. First stands the steps with charts and other datas for it. we can see statistics for day, week, month and year. Also we have data for distance, duration and burned calories that we did throughout this journey. After that is heart rate, again with similar options, the chart for lowest and highest heart rate, and we can see for a day, week, month or a year worth of statistics. Next we have blood oxygen and stress, same as other options before. All the data will be here, which makes it very easy to track our health. In workout history you can see our route that we did while walking. Also we'll find all the data that is necessary like distance, burned calories, steps, heart rate, etc. So, this is pretty much it on how to connect Amazfit T-Rex 2 with Zepp app, what to expect in the app and the options that we'll find there. I really hope you enjoyed and found this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.